Hello you beautiful people, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is a box that I've had before. It is Moon Tribe box. I purchased my first Moon Tribe box last month, paid for with my own money, absolutely loved it. You guys seem to really like the video as well. Moon Tribe contacted me and said they really loved my video and they sent me a box for free, which is so lovely of them, so kind. There's a bell in it, I can hear. They have given me a discount code as well, which I'll put on the screen here for you guys, for you to use. But yeah, let's jump in. So let me just quickly tell you how much it is, because I've got brain farts and I can't remember. Give me 1 second. Order a box. Smells amazing. £25. Or £25 if you £25 if you're doing a subscription, £28 if you're doing a one-off box. So this smells incredible. Like, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells amazing and it's so heavy. So this is what the box looks like. Super cute. I love the purple ribbon. Let's jump in. Let's jump into this box if I can. My nails are too long to undo knots at the moment, it's ridiculous. So let's have a look. Well, that is jam-packed with stuff. So let's have a look and see what we've got here. We've got something sealed with a beautiful gold wax seal. Let's have a look. What is in here? Full moon in Aries. So this is just telling us about the box, I think. So goddess spell. There's a goddess spell jar. Spell jar includes, I won't read that yet because we haven't found the spell jar. But it says full moon in Aries. Symbol the ram, element fire, ruling planet Mars, keywords action, energy and willpower. The full moon in Aries is one of the most powerful, forceful and temperamental of the lunar calendar. The energy is as full of fire as it is as the sign it sits in. For this reason, be aware of your temper during this time, mindful that others may be experiencing temper tantrums. But if that sounds a little negative, it's really not all is lost. On the flip side of this full moon, we have the action, achievement, increased willpower to work with. This is a time for grabbing the ram by the horns and stepping boldly into the world with your light on full beam. If you pay attention, meditate and use your magic wisely, you are likely to receive clarity of your goals this full moon. Pay attention to what is unfolding. This full moon wants you to really believe in yourself. I love that. Aries full moon mantra. I believe, therefore I am. The full moon is the 20th of October, if you're wondering. And then it says what is in the box. So I'll pull things out and then I'll have a look on here and I'll read it to you. So I've got a little bag which has got some herbs and some flowers in it and a crystal. So I'll have a little look and see. I think this is part of the spell jar. I'm not entirely sure. I think this is part of it. I think this is a moonstone in here, but we'll just keep diving in and see what we've got. So I've got some incense. These are Witch's Curse incense. I feel like I've had these before in another box. I feel like I have. I don't know where they are. I've got so many incenses, ridiculous. Let's give these ones a smell. You can never have too many incense. Don't ever let anyone tell you you can have too many incense, because it's not physically possible. It's just a fact of life. Ooh. What are you? I don't know what they are. Just black incense, but they smell incredible. I have no idea what the smell is on them, but they smell amazing. So I've got a candle. So spell jar mixed with gemstones, 1 white candle, goddess charm and purple string. Goddess charm and purple string, is that in here? Ah, purple string. So this is a goddess spell jar. And in here we've got, I can grab it all. We've got a goddess charm. We have a jar with gemstones. purple string and a white candle. So this spell has been designed to allow you to personalise to suit your requirements. Ask yourself, what do I need to manifest to empower my inner goddess? And that is where you start. Any herbs, flowers, charms, forage items that you feel belong in your jar. Add your items, infuse your intentions into the spell by speaking your manifestation out loud. Adding a sprinkle of jasmine provided will help with love, self-love or money intentions. Seal the jar with a white wax. White has been chosen a bit as it can be used in place of any colour candle, so it will work for all intentions. When the wax is dried, add the charm and the string and tie on the top of your jar. Leave the jar to charge under the full moon each month to keep your spell active and energised. Remember, the intention is the most important part of the spell. The stronger your intention, the more powerful the spell is. I love that. I've got a little wax melt, I think this is a wax melt. Smells lush. Yeah, that smells amazing. I think it's a wax melt. I'm not entirely sure. There's another one here. Super cute. I've got... Oh, this is a... Oh my god. Oh, I want to bite that. That smells amazing. This is a shower steamer with orange bergamot, Mei Chang and kosher salt. The revitalising scent is ideal to use prior to carrying out your full moon spell. Apologies for the cling film wrapping. When the steamers arrived, they were more delicate than they'd assumed, and by wrapping them, it hopes it reaches you in one point. The shower steamers, you literally turn your shower on hot and you pop this in the shower. I do mine slightly to the side of the actual stream of water, and it infuses your shower with the most amazing smells. They're gorgeous. It's like a bath bomb, but for your shower, they're lovely. So something here. So this is Samhain cleansing spray. So it's spelled Samhain. It looks like Samhain, but I've googled and asked people, and I've been assured that it's pronounced Samhain. So we've got a cleansing spray here. Oh, what do you smell of? It says cleansing spray and can be used to cleanse your space or your aura in the same way as smoke cleansing. It has been handmade by me using filtered water, witch hazel and a blend of 7 essential oils. The spray has been charged with clear quartz, but to add extra magic, do charge it under the full moon. Please note the spray contains essential oils that may be dangerous to pets, so do not use around them. That's lovely. I will definitely use that upstairs where the kitty cats are not. And then I think we've got the stuff for the an ancient wisdom essential oil don't worry roller. Under the fiery intense full moon, we are encouraged to show our true colours to the world, to step boldly outside of our self-imposed boundaries. This roller is ideal for times when you doubt your self-worth. Pair application with a positive affirmation that speaks to you, such as I am worthy of achieving my highest goals. Roll it on, remember you're a goddess, share your light with the world. There can never be too much light. I love that. So it's like bergamot, geranium and frankincense. It smells very earthy and it is a very, very relaxing smell. I've got a... This means this is me doing a spray. I know, yeah. I've got a spray that smells similar to that. Who's texting me? My best friend. So that's that. And then we've got a goddess spell jar, full instructions provided. So what else we've got in here is, I think this must be jasmine flowers. Please note that these have been infused with jasmine oil to increase the potency, so are not for consumption. Jasmine is known as the lunar flower, so ideal for your full moon spells. It's ideal for drawing what you wish to you. Love, including self-love, money especially, so using any spells relating to that. The vial that is provided is perfect for reusing as a spell jar. So they're the jasmine flowers. We've got moonstone tumblestone, as the name is an ideal gemstone for lunar workings. Moonstone is renowned for its ability to empower women, balancing hormones, encouraging mental clarity. It's also believed to aid with restful night sleep. I knew that. Something that may be in short supply during the Aries full moon. And then obsidian. Obsidian is one of my favourite crystals. So we've got the moonstone here, which is beautiful. And then we've got obsidian. I own a lot of obsidian. And it says, obsidian is a protective stone that will help shield you from negative energy. Use this stone for any healing or grounding work that may be required to help you use the full moon's energy to its full capacity. So that's that. And then I think this one is a sleep spell bag. The full moon is notorious for causing disruptions to sleep. My son also does that. The sleep bag has been made by me at my altar following a spell that I have great success with for many years. Hang it by your bed or pop it under your pillow to feel its full effects, and I hope it brings you a peaceful sleep. Until next month, wishing you a beautiful Samhain. Brightest blessings from Kate. So we've got flowers in there and a crystal. So this I'm literally gonna hang this on my wall up here because I need to sleep. I'm so tired. I think that was amazing. So we've got, just quickly go back through it. So we've got the shower steamer. We've got the goddess spell. We've got incense. What is this? I've got some rope here actually. Some string and a little scroll. So this is, handmade Nawari rope incense. Sandalwood rope incense can be made using natural sandalwood powder, cloves, cinnamon and natural herbs. This incense is used both purification and natural air freshener. A fair trade product, vegan friendly and completely handmade by from Nepal. I don't know how to say it, Nepali or Nepali women. It's incense. So you burn it. You burn it. I'm really confused. So it's little, let me undo it. Going with the knots and my stupid long nails. So it's lots of little pieces. I will clarify with Kate as to whether or not you're meant to burn that, and I will put it on the screen because I don't want anyone setting fire to something they're not supposed to set fire to. And then we've got the roller ball, the spray, the cleansing spray, some wax melt, and the goddess spell instructions. I think that was lovely. Let me know what you guys think. My glasses are falling off my face. Let me know what you think. I would love to know. As I said, I do have a discount code which has been very kindly given to me. Yeah, let me know if you buy it. I would love to see if you do buy any of the boxes that I recommend. I would love to be tagged in the picture so I could see you guys, or your thoughts or your videos, whatever you do. I'd love to know what you think. Feel free to message me and let me know. That would be amazing. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.